हम दोनों actually we are in a shocking state. We have come to H&M. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hello, namaste, salam alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. और कुछ ही दिनों में मैं निकलूंगा अपना नेक्स्ट ट्रिप पे, नेक्स्ट सफर पे, और हर सफर के पहले मेरा कुछ ना कुछ लास्ट मोमेंट का शॉपिंग रह जाता है। इस बार भी है थोड़ा सा छोटा सा शॉपिंग, लेकिन मैं कहाँ जाऊं, कहाँ से शॉपिंग करूं, आई वॉज रियली कंफ्यूज्ड। लेकिन इस कंफ्यूजन को ऑलरेडी दूर कर चुके हैं मेरे एक बहुत ही खास दोस्त, who will be joining me in this छोटा सा शॉपिंग, and where I am going I will show you। और आज संडे है, स्पेशल ब्रेकफास्ट भी करेंगे, तो चलिए चलते हैं और इस संडे का जो सफर है, मेरा संडे का जो व्लॉग है, वो शुरू करते हैं। सो हम आ चुके हैं ब्रेकफास्ट करने, और ये बहुत ही नया जगह है जहाँ पे मैं आया हूँ। इट्स कॉल्ड दक्षिण। माई फर्स्ट विजिट हियर। दक्षिण इज लोकेटेड जस्ट नियर द फोड़ा मॉल, एल्गिन रोड। इट्स प्योरली साउथ इंडियन एंड द फूड इज़ रियली नाइस। वी जस्ट हैड द डोसा एंड नाउ वी हैविंग फिल्टर कॉफ़ी। तो अभी ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेते हुए आपसे मुलाकात करवाते हैं उस स्पेशल दोस्त से who has come all the way from Delhi. So please meet my special friend Devolina.
Hi, my name is Devolina, and you must be knowing by now.
Yeah, must be knowing by now because all my Insta and Facebook account, you have seen her pictures everywhere. And the shoot that I did in Jaipur, it was all her collection, and her collection is really amazing. And you know, the most importantly for me, because I am not into fashion, I am a fashion photographer, but for me, the most important thing if it comes to fashion is comfortable fashion, comfortable clothing. And she just defines it in absolutely amazing way. So let's talk about the brand called Bahi, which Devolina is launching very soon. So Devolina, what is Bahi all about?
Okay, so yes, I have not yet announced the date for launch by, but it's about to launch very soon, hopefully in September or October. So yes, Bahi is all about sheer beauty, sheer elegance, and the most comfortable wear. It's all about. So it's a breathable fashion. You know, in short, you can say it's a breathable fashion for me, because I believe if you wear something which is very comfortable for you, and you should wear something which bring out your beauty.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that is very important.
Yeah,
when
absolutely.
you're wearing something, it should bring out your beauty.
And most of the Devolina's collection that I have seen, that because I have done the entire shoot of her collection, they are mostly into whites. And एक अलग ही इसमें जो है ना मज़ा है, white में जो एक अलग सा एक charm है. So I want to ask that I have seen most of that the sari she is wearing right now. You can see. Yeah. I will just show you the sari she is wearing.
Powder pink.
It's a powder pink, so you can see white का एक touch है यहाँ पे हर जगह में. And so I want to ask that why your collection that I have seen mostly are into whites. I love white, ऐसा नहीं है, but why it's you have focused, you know, the entire thing that into white. Why?
Yes. First of all, I love to play with whites. It's my personal favorite. I love different shades of ivories. I love different shades of beige. And when you wear white, it is the brightest color.
Absolutely, yeah, sure. That's definitely, yeah.
Yes, so when you wear white, I think it brings out your beauty, your inner beauty. It defines your personality. That is the most important thing.
Yeah.
When you wear something, it should, your fashion, your dress should define your personality. That's why you're wearing it. So my idea behind Bahi, all of my collection are based on this, that it should look very elegant on a person, at the same time very stylish, very sleek, and the most important is it should be very comfortable, because after we stay in a tropical
Yes, and
climate.
I think the weather we stay here in India, and you need to be, you need to be comfortable, and
Yes.
as well as daily wear, as well as casual wear.
I have
Both, I
daily
think, in the
wears.
both ways,
Yes.
white goes in every
Everywhere.
every लोग एक होता है ना, हर जगह में it gets set the white color.
And the most important, you can wear my collection in the daytime for a
Yeah.
Sunday brunch, for office parties, and in the evening wears as well.
Yeah.
It will like blend along with your beauty very easily. And what is
And I think
the
she
most
believes
important-
believes in sustainable fashion.
Yes,
एक जो है
sustainable fashion is
eco-friendly,
very important
sustainable
for me.
fashion. Yeah.
I believe in eco-friendly, and that's why my collection is all about handloom fabrics.
All pure.
Pure handloom fabrics, hand weaved. It's time taking, but it is sustainable. That is the most important. And saying on that, what we are using mostly Jamdanis. It's a world famous Bengal weave. Nowadays everybody knows about
Yeah.
Jamdani, but I am trying to bring out Jamdani in a different flavor. with
Not the typical traditional way.
No, not at all.
Yeah.
It is mostly in my western garments. Jamdani is there in my western garments. Like all of my outfits are mostly western and Indian mix, so you can say it's a fusion collection.
Yeah,
You have
yeah.
seen already.
Yeah, so let's not reveal much here.
Yeah.
बाकी you will see in the pictures that will be coming.
Yes.
इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ सब्सक्राइब करो, सीधा सब्सक्राइब करो, और इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक का लिंक रहेगा, एज वेल एज द बाही का जितना भी लिंक है, आई विल पोस्ट इट, एंड
And
you
you
can
can follow Bahi on Instagram as
Yeah.
BAHI.
I will send the entire thing.
Yes.
I will share it, and you can click the
follows our
icard.
stories, follows our post, and follows our reels.
Yeah,
as
we
much as
need to support
possible.
Bengalis, huh? Absolutely. So a proud Bengali, I can say, she is rocking in Delhi. Yeah, and you can just click the icard up there for the glimpse of her shoot. मैं एक ऑलरेडी डाल चुका हूँ, बहुत ही छोटा सा है, लेकिन यू कैन गेट एन आइडिया ऑफ हाउ द थिंग्स आर शेपिंग अप. तो यहाँ पे इस कॉन्वर्सेशन के एंड करते हैं, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में जाते हैं. सो
Yeah.
वेयर वी आर गोइंग टुडे फॉर शॉपिंग.
Okay, so yeah, let's try something new, and which
New,
is
okay.
very much nowadays everybody's
Everybody's
into
talking,
it,
huh? Everybody,
and,
yeah,
it's,
yeah.
everybody's talking about it. So it is a special collection of H&M x Sabyasachi,
सब्यसाची H&M, wow.
which is very interesting. And
सब्यसाची H&M जब सुनता हूँ एक अलग सा, you can say I'm getting goosebumps. Shabyasachi, something like that. And now they have tied up with H&M.
H&M,
And
yeah.
so we will
and
go
the
and check.
collection is very interesting.
Okay,
Very
okay.
very fun.
Yeah.
It's boho collection. It's like flowy, and yes, you can wear it anywhere, anytime, and
Okay.
it will suit everybody.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
see.
It's for everyone. The collection is for everyone.
We checked it online and we have seen the most of the collection being sold out. And मेरा जो
It's
size
in
है,
huge demand.
huge
right
demand,
now.
and it's a different
It's
craze
booming,
altogether.
and it's booming like anything.
Anything.
Guys and girls are going crazy about it. in
Another
market
Bengali, huh?
nowadays.
Another Bengali. Proud of you.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
let's go and check out the Sabyasachi H&M collection. और एक मेरा छोटा सा सवाल है. You know, मैं बहुत सुनता हूँ about Friday dressing. So what is Friday dressing according to you?
So yes, for me, like you can wear anything on Friday, as well as you can transfer it on Monday also. You just need to team up, and you need to accessorize it like
Okay.
with correctly.
with the correct thing.
With the correct
So
thing.
the thing is that Bahi is all about thing that what Bahi is all about. हर दिन के लिए Bahi है.
Every day.
So that is why I asked her.
We
Is
have-
it Friday?
we
No,
have
there's no
casual
Friday.
wear. There is no Friday. I think
हर
every
दिन
day
के
is
लिए.
Friday.
Every
if you
day is
enjoy
Friday.
every day,
Exactly.
if you enjoy your work, if you are following
Yeah.
your passion, then every day is Friday, every day is Sunday, even as well every day is Monday.
Absolutely.
So, yes.
So Bahi is all about 7 days. So let's go and check out the Sabyasachi H&M collection. मिलते हैं वहाँ पे. चलो, cheers.
Cheers.
actually we are in a shocking state. We have
Yes.
come to H&M, but the Sabyasachi collection is not in this store. They have only kept in selected stores, and in Kolkata there is only one H&M store जिसमें नहीं है. तो हम क्या
And
करें?
this is very much disappointing.
Very disappointing.
Yeah.
Bengali, Bengali designer hasn't kept anything in Bengal. So क्या कुछ नहीं कर सकते. We tried our best. We came here, but
Yes.
shopping तो करना है.
Yeah, shopping तो
So-
करना ही है. We are very much in a shopping mood today.
So Sabyasachi H&M से Sabyasachi को आप हटा दो. सिर्फ H&M से ही शॉपिंग करना है.
हाँ, yeah.
चलो चलते हैं. क्या कर सकते
चलो
हैं?
करते हैं.
We tried our best.
Yes.
I think I like
What
this.
kind of,
I like this one. This color.
Yeah, this is nice. This is very nice actually. And the price thing, if we see, 14.99. It's a
1499.
denim quality. It's good for winters and autumn for outside Kolkata for sure.
This is nice.
But it's worth.
Very nice.
It's worth 14.99.
इसको शॉर्टलिस्ट करते हैं इसको.
Yeah, इसको shortlist करते हैं. Even this is also nice. This is a summer wear. Again, the pricing is for 14.99. I think they have mostly 14.99 and 7.99
Yeah,
price
there's a two
range
price
only.
range they
For
have.
t-shirts, you will see mostly 7.99, which is a good price. This is a very interesting one. See, and they have
And I
mostly
like that
resort wears.
also.
They have the solid colors t-shirt. Mostly are solid colors, if you see. See, this color is again very nice. It's a olive color.
So let's try that
The
shirt. Huh?
cotton quality is really good.
Let's try that shirt.
Yeah, let's try that.
Let's try this one. Huh? तो हमने शॉर्टलिस्ट कर लिया क्या क्या लेना है. This is one that I'm taking. This is also very nice, interesting. Tom and Jerry. This one
Staff announcement, Chumke to main floor, Chumke to main floor. Thank you.
and this one. इसमें थोड़ा confusion है. Let's try and then we'll take the final call. सही है ना? Good choice. But tell me one thing. You have been to Delhi so many
Yes.
times, H&M store. Tell me the
Yes.
difference.
It's a huge difference. It's a big difference actually. Delhi collection is way better. Delhi has got different trendy styles. All the latest trends are there.
Yeah.
And this is a very basic collection in
Yeah, I
Calcutta.
think H&M should have kept
H&M
much
should have
better,
their,
you know.
this is a very basic collection.
Basic,
I'm
yeah.
not finding anything exclusive which is special. H&M
Yeah,
specialty.
and mostly they have solid colors. इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं
colors
है.
and basic t-shirts and
So
basic
which I have
shirts.
selected, you can see mostly
Yes.
normal stuff, nothing
Yeah.
great. तो इसमें भी मैं थोड़ा shortlist करूँगा. But this
हाँ.
four I finalized from the store. So thank you Debolina
Yes.
for guiding me.
Welcome.
मैं पता है बहुत collection कम है, लेकिन क्या कर सकते हैं.
We have to shop.
So we are done with the shopping and very disappointed यार. सोचा था आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे सब्यसाची H&M कलेक्शन. लेने कुछ और आए थे, लिया कुछ और. सब्यसाची एंड H&M से सब्यसाची हट चुका है, सिर्फ H&M रह गया है. So very disappointed actually. I don't know why there is nothing in Kolkata. The collection is not being exhibited in Kolkata stores. But thank you Debolina for coming the shopping today.
Anytime, please.
You always need a guidance. I need, especially when I'm going for shopping, very much confused. I'm always confused when I'm shopping. And इससे क्या अच्छा हो सकता है when a designer is with you and with whom I have done a shoot. तो एक होता है ना, एक के साथ एक free, तो ऐसा है. But H&M guys, you should be keeping better stuffs.
Definitely.
Yeah, not expected from you this kind of very simple stuff. It's very basic, very basic. That's Debolina said कि in the Delhi and other cities का जो collection है,
Delhi collection is way better.
way better. So please keep better stuffs there. और हम अभी चाय पियेंगे, जैसे आपने देखा देबोलिना को चाय पिला रहे हैं. This is not available in Delhi.
I mean, if you're in Kolkata, this बाहर में चाय इज अ मस्ट।
इज़ अ मस्ट।
या
सो यही एक एक्सक्लूसिव चीज़ है H&M के बाहर, बट H&M में नहीं है। तो चलो, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग। और मेरा ट्रैवल का जो प्लान है, इतना आई विल टेल यू कि आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बॉम्बे। येस, प्लान चेंज हो चुका है। कहाँ जा रहा हूँ बहुत जल्द आपको बताएंगे नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में। और कल मेरा सेकेंड डोज का वैक्सीन है। फाइनली वैक्सीन इज़ नाउ अ टिकट टू फ्रीडम। सही है?
यस,
शी हैज़ ऑलरेडी डन।
आई गॉट वैक्सीनेटेड बिफोर आई ट्रैवल।
या सो प्लीज़ डू गेट द वैक्सीनेशन डन जितना जल्द हो सके। चलिए, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में। और जैसा मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, एक ही ज़िंदगी, जी लो अपनी ज़िंदगी। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग। टेक केयर एंड डू वॉच हर इंस्टाग्राम पेज, माई पिक्चर्स, एवरीथिंग इज कमिंग अप बाही एक्सक्लूसिव पेज में। बाही विल शेयर द लिंक डाउन, सो प्लीज़ कीप फॉलोइंग एंड एन्जॉय पिक्चर्स एंड वीडियोज़। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग एंड हैप्पी संडे।